When the morning touched the marble walls, wisdom echoed through the endless halls. Thousands of voices lived inside each page, a silent kingdom beyond every age. Candles danced through the ancient night, scholars searched for eternal light. Every question found another door, leading hearts to forevermore. The sea embraced the city's shore, dreams arrived from lands unknown before. Sailors carried stories across the tide, truth and hope walked side by side. Every scroll was a beating heart, a masterpiece, a work of art. Kings could conquer, fields with swords, but knowledge lived beyond their wars. Children learned beneath the skies, wonder shining in their eyes. The future whispered through every line, turning ordinary souls divine. But shadows slowly crossed the flame, history would never be the same. Smoke began to fill the air, silence answered every prayer. Unspark became a raging sea, chains replaced humanity. Pages trembled in the burning light, stars disappeared into the night. The ink cried louder than any man, no one could stop destiny's hand. The winds carried ashes high above, taking every dream they loved. Books that waited thousands of years vanished together with endless tears. Every sentence lost its voice, leaving history without a choice. The walls remembered every scream, the fire swallowed every dream. Golden shells became black stone, leaving every soul alone. Who remembers every name? Who survived that endless flame? Maybe somewhere beneath the sand, ancient dancers still quietly stand. The moon still watches from above, searching for forgotten love. The waves still touch the silent land, like they're holding history's hand. Travels past but never know what disappeared so long ago. They only see the empty sky, never hearing the library cry. If one single page remained, how much wisdom could be regained? Could the future look the same if no one started that fatal flame? The stars still ride across the sea, what the world refused to see. Every night they softly say, knowledge never dies away. The ashes sleep beneath the ground, yet silent echoes still resound. Every heartbeat tells the tale of a city that would never fail. Some treasures aren't made of gold, they're the stories left untold. Some kingdoms vanish without a sound, but memories are always found. Close your eyes and hear the breeze whisper through forgotten trees. Listen closely, you may find the voices time could never bind. Though the flames consume the light, hope still shines beyond. ignites the light. One day, somewhere, someone will know the truth beneath the ashes glow. Until that dawn forever comes, history beats inside our